Hello from the Bureau. We're currently monitoring a tropical low near the northwest Kimberley coast that's likely to move offshore and reach cyclone strength during Wednesday. Now, a cyclone watch is in place for parts of the northwest WA coast. Now, we can see the tropical low circulating on satellite imagery across the northern Kimberley. Now, there's plenty of thunderstorm activity associated with this system around the low. And we've seen rainfall totals in the range of 50 to 100 millimetres on the eastern and southern sides of the low since 9 a.m. yesterday, with over 100 millimetres recorded at Kununurra. Now, coastal communities between Koori Bay and Port Hedland, including Broome, are currently under cyclone watch as of 8 a.m. Western time this morning. Now, these are the areas that may see gale force winds develop in the window 24 to 48 hours from now. Now, the low centre is forecast to track to the west-southwest during the course of today and move offshore from the northwest Kimberley coast tonight before developing into a tropical cyclone tomorrow. And if it does form, it will be named Joyce. Now, the system's then likely to take a turn to the south during Thursday and strengthen as it does. Now, just how much the system does strengthen, though, all depends on how long it stays over water. Now, we're currently forecasting the cyclone to reach Category 3 strength, so that's a severe tropical cyclone with wind gusts in excess of 165 kilometres per hour, crossing the East Pilbara or West Kimberley coast sometime early on Friday. But the grey shaded area around the track shows the current uncertainty in the forecast track, and if the system stays to the west of what's currently indicated, then it would spend longer over water and the chances of reaching severe tropical cyclone strength will be higher. On the other hand, if the system tracks a little further to the east than currently indicated, closer to the coast, then it would spend less time over water and the intensity of the system may be lower. But all cyclones bring dangerous risks, regardless of their category. Damaging to destructive winds, very heavy rainfall leading to flash flooding, and coastal inundation due to storm surge are all significant hazards. And based on the current expected track, gales with gusts of up to 100 kilometres per hour are expected to develop between Koori Bay and Bidjidanga, including Broome, during Wednesday afternoon or evening, and then extend down to Wallal Downs during Thursday, and then to Port Hedland later on Thursday as the system moves to the south. Now, rainfall totals each day of up to 150 millimetres are likely along the coastal stretch through until Friday, so keep an eye out for a flood watch likely to be issued today. So if you're living in northwest Western Australia, it's time to get your cyclone plan in place. Check back with the Bureau on our website, app and on Twitter for all the latest updates of cyclone forecasts and warnings, and follow all advice from the West Australian Department of Fire and Emergency Services.